colors we have here. Red, yellow, green, orange, and purple. Making toys. Let's open the green one first. Oh look, there's me, Catboy. Meow. I wonder what's in here. Whoopsie. I hope it's Catboy. Come see it. It's girl and it's pink. It's Owlette. Let's open the orange one next. Owlette is stick on again. Look at us. I think it's somebody bad. A boy? It is a boy. Who is it? It's the Catboy. It's Romeo! Let's open a yellow one next. Oh look, who's this? It's Gekko. I wonder who's in here. Could be Gekko or Catboy. Boo! It could be Catboy. Hope you're there. It's Catboy! Let's open a red one next. Lena girl. Hope it's Gekko. I think it's Gekko. I like Gekko. Oh, I made an egg. Get me out. I'm coming. It's Gekko. Let's open a purple one next. Hello? Romeo. Egg. Oh, it peeled off automatic. You know who it is? Missing one. It's Luna Girl. Let's see who we have here. We have Gekko, Catboy, Owlette, Romeo, and Luna Girl. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.